Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SHIBA INU token. In my last video, I was telling you that SHIBA INU is about to have one of the powerful breakout of its history. And right now the price line has broken out this resistance that I was showing you in this video. So let's talk about this move, and I would like to also share with you the next expected targets of SHIBA INU. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more trading ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has broken out this bearish pen. And previously I was following this resistance. If you are following my videos on the SHIBA INU, I was telling you that we have this resistance and we had so many rejections, you can see, by this resistance. And finally the price line broke out this resistance here but moved down. After a short rally, the price line moved down again, and after these two rejections like this one and this one, I told you that this pattern has been changed to a bearish pattern, and now we should wait for the breakout of this resistance. And finally the price line has also broken out this resistance of the bearish pattern, and we also had a very strong support here at $0.000032 that I was telling you that can be a key support, and the price line has also tested that support as well. But we have some more spikes to the downside. Therefore we have more confluence points at $0.00002950. Therefore I think we should consider this level, that is $0.00002950, as our newly formed support, and this can work as a key support right now. And this support should be also used as a stop loss as well if we are going to trade this pattern. Now right now you can see that the price line is having a resistance here. We have so many rejections approximately here at $0.003650, and I'm watching that the price line can break out this resistance very soon, because we had a very nice breakout from this pattern. Next resistance will be here. This one is the strong one, that is approximately at $0.000048, and in case of breaking out this resistance, the price line can soon reach here. That will be approximately at $0.000075. But I am watching that if the price line breaks out this resistance or this tail of this bearish pattern, then soon the SHIBA INU can lose one more zero from its price, and it can reach up to $0.0001. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator here, then RSI is showing no bearish divergence. You can see the price line is forming exactly the same high as we had here when we last time rejected by this resistance of the pattern. You can see the price, you can watch the highest price here. The price was $0.00003785, and after this rally, the recent rally, we have reached $0.00003785, exactly the same price. Now if we watch how much high we are from this low to this high in the recent rally, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then we are approximately 33% up from this low to this high, and there is no bearish divergence. Even the RSI is forming higher than previous high, and the price line has formed exactly the same high as the previous high. So this can be a bullish divergence, not a bearish divergence. And we have also a stochastic coming out from the oversold zone, and it has given a powerful buying signal as well. Therefore this time there is a very high probability that this move will be continued, and we can expect that the price line can reach this level, that is the tail of this bearish pattern, approximately at $0.000075. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.